This is my custom-made mateart Pochade Box. If you love painting outdoors, this box is all you need. I crafted this box from a cheap wooden tea box. I designed it to fold up easily, taking up minimal space in my backpack. Its movable parts allow it to expand, fitting all my gear while providing ample room to work comfortably in the field. Under the sliding glass palette, I can stash everything I need, including brushes and paints. Everything I need for a perfect painting session is right there in this nifty little box. And now for the best part. I want giving this box away to one of you. But first, let's rewind and see how it all began. You know, I enjoy spending time alone in the studio painting, but when the sun's blazing, you won't catch me cooped up. It's time to hit the pavement, pedal to the metal on my bike. Fields beckon, where it's just me and the open sky, breaking free from the daily humdrum, leaving the ordinary behind. Silence becomes my sanctuary, amplifying every thought. And the sunsets, oh, they are not just a sight. They are a symphony of colors, a grand finale to an epic day. Yeah, I love to paint, but gosh, I don't like to be stuck inside my studio. In a beautiful sunny day like this, I need to go out. So what do I need for painting outdoors? Yeah, brushes, colors, and the easel. Alright, that's not gonna work. Let's see what I can do about it. How about making my own little plein air box? I'm thinking of starting with a small wooden tea box. What do you think? Alright, this one looks perfect. Let's get into my shopping cart, baby.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your rock God is a deal. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out.
Yeah, and here it is. Come to daddy. I also picked up some extra boxes in different sizes, but I'll fill you in on that later. But before I get started, I'll check my workshop to see if I have all the materials and tools I need. Yeah, I got some stuff, but it's not enough. I should probably head out for a supply run. Yeah, I don't even have the basic tools in my workshop, so I gotta pick up some equipment. I'll snag some materials and dive right into the prep work. First, a little magic. I'll carefully get everything ready to make sure I have all I need. I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Yep, here I got one. Just a few more materials and I'll be ready to build. Let's do this! First up, the folding mechanism. The hinges were already part of the box, so no need to mess around with those. I had to tackle the challenge of keeping the box lid open and steady. I didn't want it to wobbling or moving around while I was painting, especially with a canvas attached to it. The first task was to make holes and a groove for the locking mechanism. To secure the lid, I used stainless steel furniture fittings, tweaking them so they could fold neatly into the box. Then I made sure they could be firmly tightened with nuts on the side of the box. Step 2 was all about nailing down the picture holding mechanism. I crafted the second layer inside the lid using plywood, creating a space to tuck the mechanism in. To do this, I glued wooden pads to the lid, then screwed a board into place. The idea was to keep the box easily disassemblable in case anything went wrong. I designed the sliding mechanism to be glued in and hidden when the box is closed. I had a blast fine-tuning it, cutting grooves just right so everything fits perfectly and slides like a dream. The next part features grooves for extra sliding trays that extend the workspace when pulled out. While painting outdoors, it's essential to have a spot for your paints and brushes. This compact box is designed to fit snugly in your backpack, so I had to get creative to make it bigger without bulking it up. These trays, along with the pallet that cleverly seals the bottom part of the box, slide out effortlessly and stay perfectly tucked away when you're on the move. How cool is that? I wanted to make sure the wood stayed protected from moisture, so I varnished the box with 2 clear coats. I didn't miss a spot, covering the entire thing inside and out. Now even if I choose to paint in the rain, I know the box will hold up perfectly. And finally I finished my palette. It's made of plexiglass and fits perfectly on a sliding tray. I can swap out the color anytime by slipping different colored paper underneath. The best option is gray palette, so I went ahead and put in some gray paper by default. Alright folks, the Pochade Box is finally done and I'm stoked to take it out for some plein air painting adventure. Yeah! For those who have stuck around to this point in the video, I've got great news. I have decided to give away this box to one lucky subscriber as a thank you for your support making my YouTube journey possible. Now, to get your hands on this box, here's what you gotta do. First, smash that like button for me and also hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Next up, come join me over on my Patreon site. It's super easy to sign up as a free member, no strings attached. If you feel like pitching in $1, I would really appreciate it. You can choose from one of 3 tiers I offer on Patreon, but that's totally up to you. You'll find the free sign up link below the video. That's the deal. Everyone who follows these steps gets entered into the giveaway. In the mid-July, I'll randomly select one lucky winner to receive the box. I'll announce the winner here on YouTube as well as on my Facebook page and Instagram. And that's a wrap for today, my friends. Thanks a million for tuning in. Good luck grabbing that box. It could be yours sooner than you think. Thanks my friends and see you in another video. Bye bye.